Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, we will explore the basic features of Deskflow CRM and see how it helps you manage your complete business flow, starting from lead to invoices, HR section, team management, inventory management, follow-ups, that is reminders and tasks, HR section and workflow automation. All of this is going to get included in today's video. So let us start by creating a contact. Click on this plus icon, add in the name and number. You can also generate an inquiry at the same time. Save the contact. Once it is saved, its by default status will be new contact. You can change the status of this particular contact as the lead progresses. Click on this drop down, go to assign status and change the status. You can also access multiple actions from this drop down. Now by clicking on this contact, you will be redirected to the activity panel of this particular contact. Let us go to this contact. Over here you can manage everything related to this contact, that is invoices, quotations, reminder, tasks. Each and everything can be managed from here itself. Let us start by creating a quotation. Go to order list, click on the quotation, click on plus icon, select the items. You can also create a product while creating quotations or any of the bills itself. Here it is the basic form of the product. You can also search the product based on its category and apply the price list. Change the quantity to 10, change the description, change the rate to 400, add in the discount for 10%, adding in the packaging forwarding charge, that is 10, transport charge is 20, and you also get the option to turn on or off the GST button. Next up, you can change or add the remarks and terms and conditions as per your requirement. Add in any of the documents and click on the approve. Select the series and confirm. Once done, its entry will be saved. After saving the quotation, you can apply reminders, tasks, also apply the status for this particular quotation, that is from this drop down. Click on the drop down and you will be able to see all these options. We are converting it into order. Apply. All the other things are similar to quotation. Working is similar. You just get the extra option to add in advance payment over here. Let us consider that we are receiving 500 rupees via UPI as advance and we are approving this. So this is how you can change it. Going to order, and here you will be able to see the by default status, that is pending for dispatch. Now it will change based on the actions that you perform, either fully dispatched or partially dispatched. You can also track the reference of the original quotation over here. Now let us convert it into dispatch. Apply and approve. Go to order list, click on dispatch, and again applying the same thing, that is convert to sales invoice. Now here as well you get the option to add in advance payment similar to order. Now once approved, its entries will be saved in the account transaction as well. That means invoices and advance payments. From here you can track down the account transaction, and here you will be able to see this invoice entry as well as the advance payment entries. Once approved, it will be reflected in the closing balance. Similar way, you can also perform the purchase entries. Now your stock is going to be automatically managed by dispatch entries, GRNs, invoices and returns. Now if you want to set reminders for this particular contact or tasks, then you can do so by adding the remark over here. Just add your remarks, and here you will be able to see the options enabled for tasks as well as reminder. Set the time, set the reminder, and you will be good to go. Once the reminder is set, you will be able to manage all of your reminders from this reminder module. Here you can see the rescheduling option from the drop down, or even complete this particular reminder from clicking on this checkbox. You can also search the reminder based on the date filters. Okay, so this is done. Now we have seen how to create a contact one by one, but if you want to import bulk contacts, so for that you will have to click on this three dot, go to import contact and download the sample Excel. Once sample Excel is downloaded, enter all of your data in this format and upload the file. Make sure that first row is not changed, as well as all the mandatory fields are filled up. Okay, now let us go to settings. In my company, go to edit. Now before using the system, make sure your setup is completed. Here you can configure your addresses, bank details, and all the third-party integrations, that is IndiaMart, Just Dial, Trade India, WhatsApp, all of these integrations, then domain mail setups, the general billing setup, that is the prefixes, multi-series, okay, the format for the billing modules, general terms and conditions, all of this can be accessed from this company setup and done from here, as well as the image settings and module settings. Once done, you are good to go. Next up, we will go to My Team. Click on this plus icon, add in your team member's name, their WhatsApp number. They will receive an OTP. Once you enter the OTP, your team member will be added. Now, once your team members are added, you can also manage roles and permissions, expenses, leaves, the transaction of this particular team member from this drop down. Next up is HR section. In HR section, you can manage expense type, visit type, leave type, payment types, okay, department, all of this can be accessed from the HR section. Next, we will go to product settings. Under product settings, you can create categories, groups, as well as units. Now, other than that, you can also import product and bulk. For that, you will have to go to product, click on this option, download the sample Excel, and you will be getting the sample product sheet. There you upload all of your data and upload the sheet back. Once done, all the product will be added. You can also manage the stock summary. You can track the stock summary from this drop down. Next up, we will go to master settings. From there you can add in your status and labels as per your requirement. It helps you customize the CRM as per your requirement. Okay, here are the master settings. You can create status labels from here itself. Next, we will go to workflow automation from these other settings and auto assignment of contact. There you can assign the leads coming from particular source to your team member. Select the source, team member. Also, if you want to start the sequencing for your team members, that means the leads must be assigned in a sequence to your team member, then you can do so by turning this auto sequence on. Once applied, it will be started. Okay, next up we will go to My Tasks. From there you can assign tasks to your team members. Click on the plus icon, add in the title, the description, attachment, and also send the notifications to your customers via WhatsApp and email. You can set the priority, assign multiple users, and if you want to add in repetitive tasks, you can select the type of repetition, that is weekly, monthly, yearly. Also you get the option for 2 month, 3 month, 4 month gaps. Okay, now if you want to set a sequential workflow, then you can save this as a template. Select the template and this particular task will be added in the particular template. For the templates you can set the day gaps. Okay, we will go through that, but before going to that, we will see one more thing, that if once the task is generated, you can manage the task from this drop down. You can change the status, assign the team member, as well as if you want to add in the updates regarding this particular tasks, click on this task and you will be able to enter the updates. Now you can also apply the filter for your tasks from this filter option. You can import the task from here itself, similar to contact and product sheets. Okay, download the sample Excel and you are good to go. Now for task templates, go to masters, the task template, and view data source. Here you can see you can add in the day gaps as well as the time and also the dependency for the previous tasks. Okay, so this is how you can set your tasks. Next up is support ticket module, where you can manage all of your client complaints. Okay, it works similar to tasks module, just the difference is here you search the contact and you get the drop down. Here you can get the option to create a contact while creating a support ticket itself. Okay, all the other things are similar to support ticket module. Now we have covered all the basic features of the Deskflow CRM, and that was a quick overview of Deskflow CRM. For more details or support, you can always raise a ticket and our team will assist you. The link to get started is available in the description. Thank you.